Welcome to qnawire.
So for part A, we want to find the magnitude and direction of the sum of the three vectors. But first, of course, we must take the sum of the three vectors. So vector sub 1 plus vector sub 2 plus vector sub 3 is equal to 4.0 I hat minus 8.0 j hat plus 1.0 I hat plus 1.0 I hat, and then plus negative 2.0 I hat plus 4.0 j hat. We know that this is going to then equal 3.0 I hat minus 3.0 j hat. So to find the magnitude of the sum, we can take the square root of the sum of the squares. So what I mean by that is it's going to be 3.0 squared plus negative 3.0 squared to the 1/2 power, and this is going to equal 4.2. So that would be the magnitude, and then the direction would be equal to arctan of the y component, so negative 3.0, divided by the x component, 3.0. This is going to be equal to, well, this is going to be equal to 45 degrees. However, here, let's actually, you always want to just take the positive values and then look at the vectors themselves. We have a positive x coordinate. However, we have a positive x component, but a negative y component. So this means that we're going to be in the fourth quadrant. And if we're in the fourth quadrant, this means that this is going to be 45 degrees below the positive x-axis. So that would be our direction. Now for B, we have vector 1 minus vector 2 plus vector 3. So here it'll be, we can say 4.0 I hat minus 8.0 j hat, and then minus 1.0 I hat plus 1.0 j hat, and then plus negative 2.0 I hat plus 4.0 j hat, and this is equaling 1.0 I hat minus 5.0 I hat. So again, a positive x, a negative y, j hat, my apologies, positive x, negative y, this is going to be in the fourth quadrant. And at this point, we can say that if we wanted to find the magnitude again, this would be equal to 1.0 squared plus negative 5.0 squared, all to the 1/2 power. And this is equaling 5.1. So this would be the magnitude. And then if we wanted to find the direction, this would equal to arctan of, again, negative of rather 5.0 divided by 1.0, and this is going to equal 70 degrees. And this would be 70 degrees below positive x axis. My apologies, 80 degrees. So arctan of 5.0 divided by 1.0 would be 80 degrees below positive x-axis. This makes sense because most of our magnitude comes from the y component, which means that we're going to have a pretty large angle because, again, sine of angles above 45 degrees are greater than, of course, cosine of angles above 45 degrees. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.